For those of you who subscribe to my channel, you're probably wondering when my next video is going to be. And, I've been trying to film videos, and the only times I'm able to fish have been when there's nothing but bluebird skies, it's a beautiful day, but not so great for fishing. So today, I decided, since today I can also only fish at this time of day when it's beautiful out, I did my research, and from what I can understand, the bass should be sticking close to cover, as tight to cover as they can, because bass have no eyelids, so they have to stay out of the sun as much as they can. So when it's like this, the sun's shining, try and find the thickest cover wherever you're fishing. And that is where your bass will be. Ooh, that is a bass. First one of the day, and it's pretty long. First one of the day. And he came right off of that cover over there. You probably saw it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. So, off to an amazing start. There's another. Also not bad. It's around average, but a fish is a fish, and I'm pretty happy with how things are going right now. Oh my. Whoa. We got an acrobat there. This might be a nicer one than the others I've caught. No, he just likes to jump. Actually, no, this is nicer. Oh my. That is a pretty nice fish. I actually want to weigh him because he might be 2 pounds. That is a nice fish. Not 2 pounds, but definitely the biggest fish of today. Almost as soon as it hit the water. He was actually far out. He was sitting on that fountain. But fountain is structure too. I'm going to let this guy go. That is bass number 3 of the day. I'm going to catch this frog. Or not. Where'd he go? There he is. Got him. And this, believe it or not, will be eaten by some bass. Looks like I'm not just catching bass today. You never know what you're going to catch when you go fishing. Alright, let's get the release on this bad boy. He is fat. I just put on this, and I'm going to try and catch a bluegill. Oh, and I catch a tiny little bass. That's not what I was going for at all. I wanted to catch bluegills. Unfortunately, a bass who was watching them decided to eat it anyway. Alright, so by now you've probably figured out the purpose, but in case you didn't, the purpose of this video was to show you guys how to fish when it's bluebird skies. You probably hear everybody that you've watched fish on YouTube say, you know, bluebird skies and a beautiful day is the worst conditions for fishing. So I had experienced this struggle myself, and I decided to do some research on it. And basically everything that I found, if you didn't know, the main thing is bass don't have eyelids, so it hurts their eyes when they're directly under the sun. So they're going to find the best place to have cover and shade their eyes. And basically what you want to do, which I showed you today, is you're going to take either a jig or a worm or something kind of slow moving that's going to be able to go punch through some somewhat thick cover. Doesn't have to be super thick, or even just in the shade, and you're going to pitch it in there and just twitch it some, and the bass should bite. Even on these, some of the worst conditions,